Hi everyone and welcome to the next video. So the first video I did was using the organza ribbon. So this was your single loop bow and this was your double loop bow. Now I think it was Shirley, but someone said the other day that they had a bow maker but they hadn't used it yet. Now bow makers are fantastic, they make it really easy, especially if you have dexterity problems. I used to have a bow maker in the UK, but sadly I didn't bring it with me. There's lots of different things that you can use as a bow maker that you might have around the home. A comb or an afro comb. You can even use a fork, anything that has prongs on. So you can buy bow makers and they come in different styles and different shapes. Some are pretty similar to this but with a handle on. Some are little wooden blocks with the little pegs that you move about. I know the Ultimate Pro from Crafter's Companion, the scoreboard that comes with a little bow maker on it. So essentially you're doing exactly the same thing. So in the previous videos I've shown you how to take the ribbon around and using your fingers. We're going to do exactly the same technique, but we're going to do it on the comb. So I'm going to make my loops 3 prongs in effect. So I'm taking the ribbon over, measuring 1, 2, 3, pop your ribbon in, 1, 2, 3, bring your ribbon back round, and then what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, I'm going to go right in the middle here and I'm going to slot my tail through the comb, whereas I used to slot it between my fingers. And then what I'm going to do is, while that little bit of ribbon's up, I'm going to slot the tail underneath. And then pull the ribbon tightly, slide your bow off, and then essentially that's your little bow using a bow maker. And that's the nice thing with these, you can alter the size of your bow by tugging out your little tails, so you can make it as big or as small as you want. So all I'm going to do is, and this time I'm going to do a fishtail on. The ribbon that I'm using tonight it's a double-sided satin ribbon. So all I'm going to do is I've folded the ribbon over and then I'm going to cut from the inside outwards to create a little fishtail, and same on the other side. If you're wanting to stop these ribbon tails fraying, you can always very gently just hover near them with a light or a little candle, and that'll just singe the edges of the fabric and stop them from fraying. So there's your little bow. So please stay tuned, I've got lots more videos planned for the ribbon that I'm sure you're going to love, so keep popping back to the group over the weekend as I get these uploaded. Thank you so much guys, bye bye.